Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to change phone number in TikTok. Please watch the full video and also give a like. So let's get started. First of all, open TikTok application, then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Once you tap on this, then tap on three lines on the upper right corner, and here tap on settings and privacy option. Once you tap on settings and privacy, then tap on manage account, and here you can see phone number option. Simply tap on this, and here tap on change phone. Now use phone number, tap on this. Now you will get confirmation code of 6 digit. I received the code and entered. Now it says enter your new number, so you should have to enter your new number and then tap on send code button again. Once you tap on send code button, you will get a confirmation code of 6 digits again, like I already told you. Then your number will be changed. Hope you will like this video. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.